Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into a hot topic, how to use PayPal credit at Walmart in 2025. If you have ever wondered how to make your shopping experience smoother and more convenient, you are in the right place. Did you know that using PayPal credit can unlock a world convenience at Walmart? Imagine shopping without the hassle of cash or cards, just your phone and your PayPal account. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Step 1. First things first, if you don't have a PayPal account yet, go ahead and create one. It's free and easy. Just visit the PayPal website or download the app. Once you're set up, link your bank account or credit card to your PayPal account. This will allow you to add funds or pay directly from your balance. Step 2. Now, here's where it gets interesting. To use PayPal credit in store at Walmart, you need a PayPal cash card. If you don't have one yet, apply for it through your PayPal app. Once approved, this card works just like any debit card. It's linked directly to your PayPal balance. Step 3. Using PayPal credit at Walmart. So, how do you actually use it? When you're ready to check out at Walmart, simply present your PayPal cash card to the cashier. They will swipe it just like any other card. If you are shopping online, select PayPal is as your payment method during checkout and choose your credit option. Step 4. Keep in mind that using PayPal credit allows you to manage payments effectively. You can pay off your balance over time or take advantage of promotional offers that might be available. Always check your PayPal account for any special deals. And there you have it. Using PayPal credit at Walmart not only simplifies your shopping but also adds a layer of financial flexibility. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Happy shopping and see you in the next video.